So now let's have a look at some of the contrasting features between an analyst and a data scientist. Okay, so or if you take by domain, a business intelligence versus a data science domains, these are the two domains. If you take based on field or domains, is a business intelligence domain and then data science domain. So let's take based on the features. Okay, first if you take the data sources, business intelligence guy will be working on structure, that analyst will be working on structured data, rectangular or tabular data, always and all the time, usually SQL of 10 from the data warehouse. On the other side, data science guy, a data scientist, has to work on both structured and unstructured, so logs, cloud data, SQL, no SQL, text. And I have told you there are different types of data other than rectangular data. Those are called non-rectangular data, such as graph data, hierarchical data, spatial data, and we also have uh, in addition to the spatial data, we have a few more different types of data which are of non-rectangular. So data science has to work on textual data, and data scientist has to work on those kind of data also. It's pretty complicated when it compared to the an analyst or business intelligence domain. And the second one, what approach the analyst will take. So he will use a simple statistics, and once he has done enough analysis, and if he has found out some patterns in the data, so what I will do, he will use some Tableau or quick click view or Nime or Power BI, and he will visualize all in a dashboard, and he will present it to the higher authority or maybe to the client. So that's what is the approach that will be taken by the analyst guy in business intelligence domain. On the other side, data scientist, he has to use statistics as an exploratory data analysis. Then after that, he has to work on different machine learning algorithms, models, and he has to evaluate between each model. And then after that, based on the certain parameters, he has to decide which model fits well. Then after that model, he has to finalize the model, and then he has to keep on monitoring the performance of the same. So he has to use statistics, machine learning, graph analysis, neuro linguistic programming language. Based on the type of data, the type of algorithms, and type of libraries from programming languages such as Python will also change. And next, a focus, always the focus of a business intelligence uh, department guy is always on past and present. He always looks for the past, the patterns and trends in past, whereas a data science, he has to look at present, and then he can look at the past to understand the data. However, the more important focus lies on present and a future. The prediction, one explains, other predicts. I told you, one explains the data, that is our analyst, other guy, data scientist, who predicts the data, what's going to happen in future. And tools, obviously, uh, Microsoft, we have Power BI, ClickView, Tableau are for a business intelligence department or domain for an analyst, and whereas a data science department or data scientist, we have Python, R, a big ML, rapid miner, and you have plenty of libraries to handle a specific type of data